Hello everyone. Today we are doing extended mathematics paper 4. Read the instructions carefully. It is saying you have to answer all the questions and you can use the calculator. You are getting total marks of 130. Let's start. The question number 1. Find the lowest common multiple LCM of 30 and 75. We have to divide these two numbers until get the 1 by prime numbers. You can write like this. So 30 and 75 we have to divide by prime numbers. So we are taking 2, then 30 divided by 2 is 15 and this is not divisible. Then the next numbers, so 3, then 3 times 5 and 3 times 25. Then 5 times 1, 5 times 5. Again taken 5, then it's going until 1, 1. Now we have to multiply these numbers to get the answer. 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 is 150. Least common factor, otherwise lowest common factor LCM is 150. Share $600 in the ratio 4 to 5 to 7. So what we have to do, we have to take the sum of these ratios and get the fractions according to that. So sum of these ratios, 4 plus 5 plus 7 means 9 plus 7, 16. So 4 over 16, 5 over 16, 7 over 16. We have to multiply by 608 to get the answer. 608 into 4 over 16, we can calculate it is 152, 190, and 266. Work out 6.39 into 10 to the power 4 divided by 2.45 into 10 to the power 6. Give you answer in standard form. Standard form means we have to write the decimal after non-zero value. So this one also in standard form, these two. So we have to use the calculator and simplify first, then we can write the standard form. Here I have taken 10, these two, 10 to the power 4 and 10 to the power 6, same base. So we can take this one 4 minus 6, so 10 to the power minus 2. Then we can use calculator for simplify this, then this value come in. We can put approximately 2.61 into 10 to the power 2. See, this is in standard form. After non-zero value, the decimal is there. Write 0.27. This is a recurrence number. It is happening again and again. We can write this like this. We can write this x equals recurrence number. Then we can multiply this by 100. Then 27.27 recurrence. Then we have to subtract these two. 100x minus x is 99x. Here this, when subtracting this recurrence part is going, then 27 coming. X equals 27 over 99. And we can simplify this to 3 over 11. A stone has volume cubic centimeter 45 and mass given 126 gram. Find the density of the stone. Given the units of your answer. See, density equals mass over volume. The formula is given. We know the mass and volume. Then we can calculate this value. Density equals mass over volume. 126 gram over 45 cubic centimeter. 2.8 is coming. Units gram over cubic centimeter. Question number 2. circle as given. The points P, Q, R, and S lie on a circle with diameter PR. Work out the size of angle PSQ. This one we have to find. Given a geometrical reason for each step of your working. If this is a diameter angle in this semicircle, it is 90 degrees. So this one 90, is this one 29. We know the interior angles is equal to 180. So 180 minus 29 plus 90. So PQR is 90, it's semicircle, and PRQ, this value is 180 minus 90 plus 29, 61. Then we know this top angles of arc equal. So this angle is equal to this angle. So PRQ is 61, then PSQ also 61. The points AB and T, AB and T lie on a circle, and CTS is a tangent to the circle at T. ABC is a straight line, and AB equals BT. Also given ATS angle is 98. This angle is 98. We know this angle also equal to 98 because this alternate segment. So ABT is 98. And given these two sides are equal, then we know these two angles also equal. So this is 180, this value 98, then 180 minus 98 is 82, then divide by 2 is 41. This angles 41. Now we have to find the ACT. So if this is 98, this is a straight line, then 180 minus 98, this value is 82, no? 82 and this one 41. So 180 minus 82 plus 41. 57 is coming. So the angle ACT is 57 degrees. A line L joins point F and point G. Calculate the length of line. This length is equal to square root of y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared. So minus 5 minus 3 squared plus 4 minus 2 squared. Then the answer you can get 8.246. It is approximately equal to 8.25. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisect of line L in form y equals mx plus c. So we have to find the perpendicular bisector. For this, we know we have to calculate the gradient of bisector and the coordinate of bisector. Here it is perpendicular. Then first we have to find the gradient of this GF, OFG. So gradient of FG is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 4 minus 2 over minus 5 minus 3, 2 over minus 8 is 1/4 minus. So perpendicular bisector, it is reciprocal of this gradient and sign change. Perpendicular gradient is 4. So then we have to find the coordinates of this. This coordinate we can get this half of these two x values and y values. So minus 5 plus 3 over 2 and 4 plus 2 over 2. That 3 minus 5 means minus 2 over 2 minus 1 and 3. The coordinates of m is minus 1, 3 and gradient we know. Then we can write equation like this. Y minus y1 equals 4 into x minus x1. Y minus 3 equals 4 into x minus minus 1 means x plus 1. Then y equals 4x plus 4 and plus 3. 4x plus 4 plus 3 is 7. Then we can write the perpendicular equation. Y equals 4x plus 7. The point H lies on the y-axis such that the distance GH equals 13 units. So there are two positions. We can draw the diagram like this. So G we know minus 5, 4. Then GH equals 13. So GH equals 13. We can get two possible points. So we have to find these values. This we can use the Pythagoras theorem for this one. This value is 5 and this is 13. So with Pythagoras theorem, we know 13 squared equals 5 squared plus a squared. Then 13 squared minus 5 squared equals a squared. Then we can get the answer a equals 12. This is 12. Up to here it is 4 plus 12, 16. So this value is 0, 16. And from here it is 12 again. Then 4 minus 8 is coming. These two positions, 0, 16, 0, 8. These are the two possible positions. Question number 4. ABCD is a trapezium with DC parallel to AB and DC, DB and these two angles given. Find CB. We can use the cosine rule for this one. Then we can write like this. A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos theta. CB squared equals then 6.4 squared, 10.9 squared minus 2 into 6.4 into 2, 10.9 cos 38. You can use the calculator to calculate this value. So the answer is coming this 7.0588. We can write approximately 7.06. The CB equals 7.06. Find angle ADB. This angle we have to find. These two lines are parallel. Alternate angles equal. Then this 38, then this is also 38. Then from this triangle, then 180 minus 45 plus 38. We can get the ADB. It is 97 degrees. So ADB is 97 degrees. We have to find the value of AB. We know this value and this angle. This angle also we know now. So we can use the sine rule for this triangle. AB over 97 degrees equals 10.9 over 45 degrees. 10.9 over sine 45. AB over sine 97. We can find the value AB as 15.3 from the calculator. Calculate the area of trapezium. We know the area of trapezium equals half into sum of two parallel lines into perpendicular height. First of all, we have to calculate the perpendicular height of this. So get the perpendicular height. We know this angle is 38. Then this value we know given. So we can use sine theta. Sine theta equals h over 10.9. Then h equals 10.9 into sine 38. Then h is coming 6.71 centimeter. And then we have to find the area. Area we know half into sum of two parallel lines into perpendicular height. Half 6.4 plus 15.3 into 6.71, 72.8035. So we can write 72.8. Draw the lines of symmetry of the rectangle. This rectangle, we know the symmetry we can get that like this dotted lines. This is one symmetry, the other symmetry is like this. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. Triangle A onto triangle B means minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, 4. Triangle A onto triangle B. The translation by minus 1, 4. Triangle A onto triangle C. Triangle A onto triangle C. This is rotation. So it is rotation 90 degrees. Rotation through this value. 90 degrees. Like this. This is 2, 1. Rotation. 90 degrees anti-clockwise rotation via center 2, 1. Draw the image of triangle A after reflection in y equals 2. So this is y equals 2. Then this A we can write like this. This is y equals 2. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the triangle. The other one, draw the image of triangle A after enlargement by scale factor 2. Center minus 1, 1. Minus 1, minus 1, plus 1 here. So through this point, we can draw the lines, dotted lines like this, and this line also like this. These are going through minus 1, plus 1. Then we can get the triangle like this. This is going here, and this one going here, and this is going here. So the triangle coming like this. This is the enlargement of scale factor 2. Question number 6. At a festival, 380 people out of 500 people question say that they are camping. There are 55,300 people at the festival. Calculate an estimate of the total number of people camping at the festival. So we can write 380 over 500 into 55,300 to get the answer. 380 over 500. So the answer is 42,028. 12 friends travel to the festival. 5 travel by car, 4 travel by bus, and 3 travel by train. 2 people are chosen at random from the 12 friends. Calculate the probability that they travel by different types of transport. We can draw this tree diagram like this. So this is the first child and the second child. Car, bus, and train. Given 5 travel by car. So total is 12. So 5 over 12, 4 over 12, 3 over 12. Then when the second child is selected, if he also going by car, then it is now 11, no? That one already taken. So 11, 4 over 11 is going bus 3 over 11, 2 over 11, like this. These are same type of transport. Car, bus, train. The other all routes are car, bus, car, train, like that, different types. So what we have to do, total probability is 1. So from 1 we have to subtract these 3. 1 minus 5 over 12 into 4 over 11, like this. We can write like this. 1 minus 5 over 12 into 4 over 11 plus 4 over 12 into 3 over 11 plus 3 over 12 into 2 over 11. So these are same transport. And 1 minus same transport, different types of transport come. The answer is this much, 47 over 66. Anu buys a student ticket for $43.68. This is saving 16% on the full price of ticket. Calculate the full price of ticket. So this is saving means that from 100 minus 16 we have to take this 100 minus 16. Then we can calculate the full price. 100 minus 16, 84%. Then full price into 84 over 100 equal this value. So full price we can calculate 43.68 into 100 over 84 is $52. At a football match, there are 29,800 people. Correct to the nearest 100. So nearest 100 means plus or minus 50. So 29,850 is the upper bound and lower bound is 29,750. You can write like this. Lower bound is 29,750 and upper bound 29,850. At the end of football match, the people leave at a rate of 400 people per minute. Correct to the nearest 50. Nearest 50 means plus or minus 25. So we can write down lower bound is 375. Upper bound is 425. Calculate the lower bound for the number of minutes it takes for all the people to leave. Time equals number of people over rate. 29,750. We have to divide by 425. Get the lower bound of the number of minutes. It is 70. At a cricket match, there are 27,500 people. Correct to the nearest standard. So upper bound 50-50, 7,550 is the upper bound. Lower bound is 27,450. Calculate the upper bound for the difference between the number of people at the football match and the cricket match. Football match, we know the upper bound is 29,850. So minus this value, 27,450. It is 2,400. Information about the mass mkg of each 150 children is recorded in the frequency table. Mass given, frequency given, this range. So frequency given. Calculate an estimate of the mean mass. So get the mean mass, we have to get the middle numbers of these values. So 0, 10 means it is 5, here 15, this is 22.5, here 32.5, like this coming. Mean mass equals 12 into 5, 38 into 15, and 32 into 22.5 here. Middle number is 32.5 into 50, and here it is 45 into 80. So we have to divide this by total frequency given 150 children. The answer is coming like this by calculator, 25.2 kg. Draw a histogram to show the information in the table. So we have to draw a histogram. 0 to 10 is 12. So what we have to do, it is 10, 12 divided by 10. 12 divided by 10, it is 1.2. Here it is 38 over 15, 32 over 22.5. Like that, we have to divide to get the answer. Then we can draw the graph. 0 to 10, it is 1.2. And draw like this. Then 10 to 20, it is again divided by 10, 3.8. We can draw like this. Then 22, 25, 20 to 25, it is 5. Divided by 5, it is 6.4. Up to 25, it is like this. Then 25 to 40, it is 50 over 15, 3.3. It is coming like this. Then again 18 divided by 10, 1.8. We can draw the graph like this. This is the histogram. Use the frequency table to complete this cumulative frequency table. Get the cumulative frequency. We have to add these frequencies. So 12 plus 38, then the value of this one 50. 50 plus 32 likewise. 12, then 50, then add in 50, 18, like that. So these are the cumulative frequencies. So we are adding frequencies to get the cumulative frequency. Calculate the percentage of children with the mass greater than 10 kg. See, this is less than 10. These all greater than 10. So we have to add this all, otherwise total is 150. So from the 150 we can subtract this 12. 150 minus 12, we have to divide by 150 into 100 to get the percentage value. 92% is the children with a mass greater than 10 kg. Solve 10 minus 3p equals 3 plus 11p. So this one we have to solve like this. 10, then this 3 becoming minus 3, 11p plus 3p. So 14p equals 7, then p equals 7, now 14, half. P value is half. Make m the subject of the formula. Here 2k we can take this side, then mg come in this side. So mc squared minus mg equals 2k. M is common, then c squared minus g equals 2k. Then m equals 2k over c2 minus g. Now m is the subject of this formula. Solve this value. We have to get the denominator like x minus 3 into 2x plus 3. We can solve this. 1 into 2x plus 3 plus 4 into x minus 3. Like 2x, 4x, 6x, plus 3 minus 12 is minus 9. This one multiply by 1 coming like this. Then we have to expand this. 2x squared minus 6x plus 3x minus 9. 2x squared, here it is minus 3x minus 6x minus 9, this one plus 9 equals 0. This 9 to 9 cancel. 2x squared minus 9x. 9x we can take again this side, then x to x cancel. Then x equals 9 over 2, 4.5. So x is having two values, x is 0 and the other value is 4.5. Solve the simultaneous equations. Given two simultaneous equations, from one we have to get one value x or y. From here we can get x equals 12 minus 2y. From 2 it is 5. X means 12 minus 2y plus y squared equals 39. So we can simplify this. So 60 minus 39 minus 10y is y squared 0. Then y squared equals minus 10y. 60 minus 39 is 21. So we can factorize this like this. Y squared minus 10 plus 21. So there are two values, y minus 7 equals 0 and y minus 3 equals 0. Then y equals 7, y equals 3. So these y numbers we can put in one equation, then to get the x value. So I am using equation 1. If y equals 7, then x plus 2 into 7 equals 12, then x equals minus 2. If y equals 3, then x plus 2 into 3 equals 12, then x equals 6. We have values like this. When x minus 2, y equals 7. And x equals 6 and y equals 3. Expand and simplify. So we have to expand this. So first we expand this to 2x squared minus 3x plus 6 into 2, 12x minus 18. Then x minus 4. Then again, here 2x squared plus 9x minus 18 into x minus 4. So 2x cubed, 9x squared minus 18x. Then minus 8x squared, 30 minus 36x plus 72. Then 2x cubed, 9 minus 8, 1, x squared, 18, 36, 54x plus 72. Answer is like this. In triangle PQR, M lies on QR and S lies on PR. Explain giving reasons why triangle PMR is similar to triangle MSR. This one 90 degrees and this one also 90 degrees. PMR is 90 degrees and MSR means 90 degrees. This angle is common. PRM theta, MRS also theta. So this is 90, this is theta, this is 90 minus theta. Here this is theta, this is 90, this is 90 minus theta. These two angles and one side is common. This MR is common. So these two triangles are similar. Angle, side, angle. These two triangles PMR and MS are similar. Angle, side, angle. This is theta common and 90 minus theta there, and 90 degrees also there, and this MR is common. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. These two triangles are similar given. So find the value of x. If it is similar, then we can divide these two to get the answer. X over 4.5 equals 9.9 over 8.12. So x equals 9.9 over 8.1 into 4.5. Then we can get the 5.5 as x value. The area of triangle PQR is 25. The area of triangle PQR is 25 square centimeter. Calculate the area of triangle ABC. So area we given this one. We have to find this area. This area we can divide by 9.9 over 8.1. Otherwise, this one also correct. We can use 5.5 over 4.5 squared. Then the answer is 16.7355. It is approximately 16.74 square centimeter. Find all the positive integers which satisfy the inequality. So we have to simplify this. The 5n minus 3n, 5n minus 3n equals 15 plus 15 minus 8. So n smaller than 3.5. N is smaller than 3.5 means we can get the n values 1, 2, and 3. The region marked R is defined by three inequalities. Find these three inequalities. So this one, not a dotted line, this is a thick line. So this thick line we can write 10y plus 8x, small o equal to 80. This one, 2y greater than x minus 4, the dotted line, and this is x greater than 4. So these are the three inequalities. So this is hard line, these are dotted line. So this is equal, mark is coming. Write down the largest value of 3x plus y in the region R for integers x and y. The largest value we can find, see here, then 5, 3, then x is 5, 15 plus 3, 15 plus 3, 18, then 6, 3, 18 plus 3, 21, then 7, 2, 21 plus 2, 23. So this is the largest value. So the largest value is this 23. Question number 11. A rectangle sheet of paper ABCD is made into an open cylinder with AB meeting the HDC. From this cylinder has made AD equals 28 centimeter and AB 20 centimeter. Show that the radius of the cylinder is 4.46. Correct to three significant figures. Okay. This is circumference. This is circumference is 28 centimeter. We can write like this: C equals 2 pi r is the circumference. C has given 28, then 2 pi r. Then we can calculate the r as 28 over 2 pi is 4.4563. So r is 4.456, otherwise 4.46 for three significant figures. Calculate the volume of cylinder. We know the volume of cylinder, pi r square h. Then 5 r squared, r we know now, 4.46 squared into h means 20. The volume is 1249.8. Approximately we can write 1250. N is a point on base of the cylinder, such the Bn is a diameter. So Bn is diameter, we know R, 2 into R is diameter. Calculate the angle between AN and the base of the cylinder. So we can draw a triangle like this. So this is diameter. We know the height 20 and diameter we know. We can find the angle. It is tan theta. Tan theta 20 over 8.92. So theta equals tan inverse 20 over 8.92. From the calculator we can get the answer. Approximately 66. So theta is 66. The volume of a solid cone is 310 cubic centimeter. The height of the cone is twice the radius of its base. Calculate the slant height of the cone. First of all, we have to calculate the radius of cone. So we can draw it is like this. This is the cone. The radius is R and height is twice the R. And slant height is L. We know the volume given 1/3 pi r squared h. So 1/3 pi r squared into h is 2r. The volume is given 310. So 310 equals 2 pi over 3 in r cube. We can calculate this r from the calculator, 5.29. Now we know the r. 2r means this one into 2. So this is the triangle. We can use the Pythagoras theorem to find this L value. So L squared equals 2r squared plus r squared. 2r means 10.58 squared plus 5.29 squared. Then slant height is 11.83 centimeter. A curve has equation y equals x cubed minus kx squared plus 1. When x equals 2, the gradient of the curve is 6. Show that k equals 1.5. Differentiation equation. So we can get the dy by dx is 3x squared minus kx, like that. When x equals 2, so dy by dx equals 3 when x equals 2, 2 squared, 2k into 2, 2 squared, 4 into 3, 12 minus 4k is given this gradient dy by dx. So is equal to 6. We can calculate the k is 6 over 4 is 1.5. K is 1.5. Find the coordinates of the two stationary points of y x cube minus 1.5 x squared plus 1. You must show all your working. This one we have to get the dy by dx. So 3x squared minus 1.5 into 2 x equals 0. So 3x squared minus 3x equals 0. Then 3x is common. X minus 1. X equals 0. Then x minus 1 equals 0 means x equals 1. So x is getting two values. Then we have to calculate y from this. So when x equals 0, yeah, 0 minus 0 plus 1 is 1. Then x equals 1. 1 cube like this, it is 2 minus 1.5. Then y equals 0.5. So there are two values. When x equals 0, y equals 1. And x equals 1, y equals 0.5. Sketch the curve y equals x cube minus 1.5 x squared plus 1. So we have to get the second derivative for this turning points, maximum, minimum. We know the values when x equals 0, y equals 1, and x equals 1, y equals 0.5. X equals 0, y equals 1, and x equals 1, y equals 0.5. So this is 1 point and the other one here. Then we have to get the second derivative. Dy by dx is 3x squared minus 3x. Then second derivative, d squared y over dx squared is 6x minus 3. So when x equals 0, this is 0, then minus 3, it is lower than 0. We can draw the graph like this. So this is when x equals 0, this is 1. So it is coming like this. And this is a maximum value, and again it is minimum value here, then it is going like this. This is the curve we can draw. Now everything we have done. Hopefully you understood each and everything. Thank you for watching. All the best for the exam. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.